Hello, my name is Radames J. Valentin Reyes. I'm from Puerto Rico and I am the founder and software developer of Rover Software. Exif Authority Elite is an app meant to streamline the process of geotagging photographs that were taken on a camera with no GPS. In order for the app to work properly, you must synchronize the date and time of your phone and your camera. Then open up the app. Start tracking the location. Take a picture while the app is running. Stop tracking the location. Now tap on Add Location to Images. Select Images. And using your preferred file explorer, search for Exif Authority Elite inside the Pictures folder. You may need to restart your device in order for the Exif Authority Elite folder to appear in Google Photos app.